Alright guys, we are talking about decimals this week. So this is a review from what you've done in 3rd and 4th grade, but I want to make sure that everybody's on the same page as we get started. So decimals are very much like fractions. First thing we're going to talk about is what is a decimal. Anytime you have a decimal, it means that you have a number whose value is less than 1. It is part of a whole. Okay? So a number less than 1 or part of a whole. So a number less than 1 or part of a whole. It's very much like a fraction. Okay? And then we're going to talk about the place value. You've already learned about whole number place value, hundreds, tens, and ones. And you should have learned past the decimal point, but I want to review that. So it kind of goes backwards. Once we get to our decimal point, we go backwards. We do not have anything with ones, but our first spot after the decimal is our tenths place. And then after that we have our hundredths, our thousandths, ten thousandths, and then it can even go past that into your hundred thousandths, your millionths, your billionths, but we're not going to get into that right now. Okay? So anytime we have numbers after our decimal, these are our place value names. You'll notice that they all end in THS. Okay? That makes it easy to know if we're talking about the hundreds place or the hundredths place, because they have two very different values. Okay? So on the back of your page, after you have finished answering the normal 3 questions, you're going to answer these 2 questions on the back. I want to know what number is in the hundredths place. We're using this number right here. And then I also want to know that the 7 is in what place value spot. Okay? So go ahead and answer those questions, and then I will see you tomorrow.